Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create custom input actions in Godot game engine. So yeah, let's get started. So I'll just create one project, name it as demo. You can name it whatever you feel like. I'll save it on desktop. I'll select the current folder. I'll click create our project, and here first I'll just create one 2D scene. This will be our main parent scene. I'll just save it as game. Before saving I'll just name this as game as well, just to avoid confusion, and I'll command S to save it, or control S, whatever OS you are using, and save it. So here is our parent scene. Now I'll create one more scene. I'll create an area 2D. And area 2D requires a sprite 2D as well as a collision shape 2D. Now for sprite 2D I can just drag and drop this Godot icon which we have, and for collision shape I will just take a rectangle shape 2D. So I'll just take it over here and I'll just move it like this, then I'll move it like this, I'll move it like this. Okay, then I'll just name this as Godot. You can name it whatever you feel like. Command S, save it, and I'll just include this inside our parent scene. So click on this icon, select Godot, and I'll just move it inside our visible area. Okay, command S. Now how to add input actions? So just go to project settings, input map, and here you will add the action. So suppose I want to add left right actions, right? So I can just type left, click on add. I can just type right, click on add as well. There are some built-in actions as well, so I think left and right are in built-in actions. So if you want to check those, you just have to enable this toggle, and here you can see there are some built-in actions. If you want, you can use it. I'll tell you how to use it later on, but the way we use our custom action is very similar to that of built-in actions. Okay, so we have added left and right. Now we need to assign some keyboard key to this as well. So you will have to click on this plus button, and then you will have to click on this keyboard key which you want this left action to happen. So I'll just click on the left arrow key of my keyboard, and here you can see it has automatically detected left or left physical key, so I don't have to worry about this. Similarly for right as well, I can press whatever I feel like. I'll just press the right arrow key because it makes more sense, and I'll just click on close. Now if you want, you can just go to Godot, attach one script to this, and here you can just have to write this func process. Okay, and here you can just check if input, sorry, I think I misspelled it, input dot is action press. Now again, be careful, you don't use this is action, just press. In case if it makes sense for your use case, then you can use it. I will just press this is action pressed, and here you can see it is automatically showing the custom action. Now there are some default actions which are present, so if you want you can use that as well, but I'll just use my custom action. So left, and here you can just move the position of it. So position dot x minus equal to 200.0 into delta. Okay, similarly you can do it for right as well. So I'll just copy this. You can either use an else if clause or elif clause or if clause. I'll just use an elif because I don't want the user to press both of this simultaneously. And here you can see right arrow, right key, and here we can just do, I think, plus, command S to save, and then just okay, I have not selected my current scene. I'll just go to game because that is my current scene. I'll select current, and here if I press my right key, it is moving right. If I press my left key, it is moving left. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.